In the world of mountain biking, there's few brands that are as well established and innovative as Troy Lee Designs. So it's because of this that I'm super excited to let you guys know that their brand new D4 helmets are now available here at Pushys online. There's so much to see. With new designs and new technologies, if your helmet is starting to feel dated, there's never been a better time to upgrade. In keeping with previous years, the range of D4 helmets consists of two items. There's the superlative carbon and then there's the bang for buck composite. Both helmets feature MIPS as standard, redesigned ventilation channels, and the Troy Lee Designs novel collarbone suspension system. On top of this, they both use lightweight titanium D-rings and contain all major safety certifications. If you're looking for the best full face helmet that money can buy, then there's really only one option, the Troy Lee Designs D4 Carbon. Constructed of spread toe fabrics, this novel approach to spreading carbon makes it possible to achieve thinner laminates, increase strength, and minimize excess plastic. This matters to you because it results in a tangibly lighter and stronger helmet than ever before. This helmet is much lighter than previous iterations, an improvement you are bound to appreciate after a full day out on the bike. But for those of us who have long given up on still coming in first at Worlds, but still love to push the limits, the D4 Composite shares much of the same DNA as the Carbon, just without the price tag. The ventilation systems, the collarbone protection, and the polystyrene are all the same. The Composite is just manufactured from a slightly heavier fiberglass shell. This shell is as safe and as durable as the Carbon laminate, but doesn't cost as much to produce, making the D4 Composite available to many more riders. So if you're looking at getting a new full face helmet, the full range of Troy Lee Designs D4 helmets are now available here at Pushys online. Find the perfect one at pushys.com.au.